Hello Pleasureway owners. I want to show you how to build a simple and very accurate water column gauge to check the pressure on your propane. That has to be checked once in a while, and if the pressure is too low, you won't get a good working condition for the fridge or any other appliances that uses propane. So best way to do it is with a water column like that. You can buy some, but in some cases it's quite expensive, and it's better than to use digital or needle gauges, because this is a lot more accurate. Actually, when somebody uses digital gauge, it has to be calibrated with that. So I'll show you closely how it's done. It can be done cheaply and it's really efficient. So you need a piece of board. I mean, it could be a 2x4, whatever, something that can hold a tube. The principle is pretty simple. You have to have a clear tube, an adapter. It's a fast, quick connect that I plug on the RV. I'm going to show it a little later, that you can hook on the barbecue exit at the back of the Pleasureway. Use a clear tubing in where you're going to put water in it. Any liquid can do the job. In this, I only used water, and I used only one drop of food color, so it makes it easier to see what height the liquid is going to move. So the principle is pretty simple. You have to have a tube with the other end open. You must not block the other end. The pressure from the RV, which is pretty low pressure, is going to push inside the tube, and it's going to move the liquid up. And what you have to measure is the difference between the lower part and the upper part, which makes the water column. According to Pleasureway dealer, we have to be close to 12.5 inches of water column. So what you do, you put the liquid at the height of the 0 mark, and then you put, like this one, I made it specially for the RV, so it goes from 0 to 15 inch of water column, and you have to mark it every half an inch, even if it's 1 inch. Why? Because if it goes up, let's say 2 inches, it goes down 2 inches. So to mark it like 2 inches of water column difference, you have to mark it every half an inch. So all you need is a board that is about, let's say, 16 inches long, and a tube, clear tube, long enough to go as low as where the water is going to go down. So that's why if you want to make it for 15 inches, you go at least 16 inches long. So I'll show you how it's done. It's pretty basic, but I mean, it's the best way to measure it. So you just hook it there, and you slowly open the propane, and you're going to see the water column go up. The green mark is my reference, so it's 12.5 or close. Maybe the fridge is using some propane right now. Maybe I should close it down, but it was adjusted to 12.5. If you don't get this water column, you can either have the controller adjusted, or if you can do it yourself, you can adjust it. But the video was mostly made to show you how to do it simple and efficient. I'll put a link to the connector I used. I bought it from Amazon, and the second part that is hooked to it, I bought it at Home Depot. So for less than, let's say, $20 Canadian, it's done, and it's really accurate. All right, bye.